In this video, I'm going to show how to actually enter orders using the MetaTrader 4 or MT4. So this is the MT4 interface. So if you want to enter an order, just hold the pair. These are the different pairs, the different currency pairs or assets that you want to trade. So you hold, and then you see this drop down where you have new order, open chart, symbol, and then you go to new order. So of course there are different types of orders. So we have the instant execution that in some broker you're going to see it as a market execution. For this is an order that you're giving to a kind of an instruction you're giving to your broker that you want to enter the market at the current market price. So if it's a pending order, then you pick this, simply click on where you have the instant execution, then you have these pending orders here: buy limit order, sell limit, buy stop, and then sell stop. So the next thing you want to impute correctly is your lot. So to input your lot, you come to this column where you have from minus 0.1 minus 0.01 and then the 1. That's where you actually enter the lot that you want to trade in. Of course, lot size begins from 0.01 to infinity. So depending on your account size and then your stop loss, you want to accurately know the correct lot that you should be putting on a particular capital. So let's say we want to enter a trade for 0.01, so we'll just put 0.01. 0.01. If you want to increase, then you can come here and then increase. If you want to reduce, you come here and you reduce that. So the lot size is actually the amount you have in your capital, your balance. That's what determines the lot size that you're going to choose. So if we want to put 0.05, then we'll just put that 0.05. If we want to put 0.10, we do that. So that's the place where you actually input your lot. If you want to put one standard, so that will depend on you, depend on the amount of risk that you actually want to take in that particular trade. So after your lot size, the next very important variable that you don't want to leave out is your stop loss. Of course, the stop loss is very important. It's very important that you put a stop loss. So you, in the next column, you're going to see a kind of a green. You have the red and then the green. Where you put your stop loss is the red. The red is the stop loss. So of course, from your technical analysis, that's where you actually pick out your stop loss, the number of stop loss. You pick out the exact figure that you want to put as your stop loss. For example, for this Euro USD, so let's say you want to sell that. So this is, you just input the exact stop loss that you have gotten from the exact value that you've gotten as your stop loss from your technical analysis. So you put that there. $1.09. 1.09 0. Okay, so if we are selling off, then our stop loss should want to be higher, 0, let's say 30. Then after then, you want to put your take profit. So the green column is where you put your take profit, 0.08. So after that, then you can go ahead and buy or sell. So in this case, so let's say your order is entered. Your order is entered. The trade will be running. So that's how to enter an order. So if you want to, let's say we want to take partial. The market gives us most times when we enter a trade and the market is in our favor, and we want to take out some of the profit. So I will quickly show you how you can actually do that with MetaTrader 4. The trade is currently not in our favor. This was just a demonstration. That we actually did a technical analysis on that on the trade to pick a direction. So let's assume we are in profit and we wanted to close part of the trade. We want out something from what the market has already given us. So you just hold and then close order, and you reduce you reduce the you take out the number of lots you want to take out. So like this trade is running on a one standard. So if we are in profit, so we could come say, okay, let us take out 50%. So we just come and take out 0.50, and when our order will be closed. So now we still have the trade running, but the trade is still running, but now at a reduced loss size or risk. So that's how to take partial from the market. You hold the trade that is running, close order, and then you come to the loss size and remove the exact percentage of the loss size. You reduce that. You reduce the loss size, and then you come to where you have close, and then you close up that. So you still have some portion of the trade still running. So at this point now, you can move stop loss to break even by simply putting your stop loss exactly at a point where or above your entry point. Best done not when you are experiencing losses, or especially best done when the market has given you something. All right, guys. So I just wanted to make this quick video showing you how to enter orders in the market using MetaTrader 4 Android, the Android version of MetaTrader 4. So thank you guys, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, you want to do that. So that you don't miss any upcoming video. So I will see you in my next video.